Welcome everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to create and animate different kind of trees in Blender. So first, I am going to press A to select everything and hit X to delete. Go to Edit, then go to Preferences and make sure that you are selecting add-ons. Search here for sapling tree gen and add it. While hold down the Shift, press A to go to Add menu, then go to Curve, and here note that sapling trees are not in the mesh. Select sapling tree gen at the bottom here. So now we can see a sample tree. Select this sapling properties tab. Here in this LOD present drop down you can choose different kind of tree types. I'm going to select this white birch. Unless if you missed this properties tab, by clicking somewhere else you can bring it back by pressing F9. And if you grab this tree or scale it this properties tab, you might not be able to bring it back. So make sure that you are going to grab or scale it after applying all the properties that you want. And here you can change the branch distribution as you want. For now I'm going to keep it as default. In here we can add some branches rings as well. Also you can randomly change this branch's size and distributions by changing this random seeds. I think this one is great. In this scale option you can scale it up or down as you need. And scale distribution of the tree can be changed using this scale variation as well. And you can change branch radius as well as root ratio by selecting this branch radius setting. Then go to the branch splitting settings. In here you can increase the number of branch levels. And remember that if you increase it too much rather than 2 or 3 it might get lag according to your model. Number of main branches we can change using this base splits option. And here I keep it as 2. And also trunk height and split height can be changed as you need. Branch and split angle split segment also can be changed. You can change the branch mode here in the drop down. Now in this branch growth settings you can change branch length angles as well as curvatures. For now I'm going to keep it as default. And if you want you can change prune options here in the pruning settings. Now let's move to leaf settings. Tick this show leaves option. You can scale leaf size in here. And here I increase number of leaves to 100. I recommend that change the leaf shape to rectangular if the leaves are not clearly visible in your scene. And it helps to reduce rendering time. In this case I'm going to keep it as hexagonal. Here you can change leaf down and rotate settings. And here you can change the leaves angle that respective to particular branch. Now let's move to animation part. Go to armature settings. And select this use armature option. And you can increase armature levels for more realistic animation. Then go to animation settings and click this armature animation option. You can see the animation fast by clicking this fast preview option. And click here to play the animation. You can also adjust the animation speed here. If you want to increase the wind speed or create a storm scene, you can increase the wind strength here. Now you can see a strong wind condition. I'm going to keep this wind strength as default. And make sure that you're uncheck this fast preview options after previewing the scene. And I mentioned some free texture links in the description. So this is the end of the tutorial. And if you enjoyed this tutorial and if you would like to help support my channel you can subscribe it and hit the bell icon to watch my upcoming tutorials. And don't forget to leave comment as a feedback and you can mention the scenes that you would like to know. Also you can create and buy your own 3D model with animation through my Fiverr account and please find the link in the description. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.